We have a wonderful new addition to the local theme Jack family of tools, and it's a plug-in, and it can actually also be used for HTML site. And this plug-in is a landing form. The first thing we do when we log into our site is to check for updates, and I'm going to guess that it's appearance. The theme needs to be updated. And before you start any additions or changes in your site, it's a very good idea to make sure that the theme is updated. And Jack and his team are always working on fixing, adding, creating new things, so you don't want to miss anything. So log in, update. Now I will go to plugins and add new and upload and navigate to where I had the plugin saved and install now and activate the plugin. And you'll see now there's a new tab on the black sidebar on the left side, and it's Jack Form Leads. So hover over Jack Form Leads, come over to the flyout window and down to license, and enter your license email address. And click on verify. Okay, license saved successfully. Now we go to Jack Form Leads, click on templates, and select add new. Okay, and if you mouse over any of the templates, you'll see a check mark and an eye. Clicking on the eye will bring up a preview for you. And here's what this particular form looks like. I think I will select this one. And when you click on a form that you want to work with, you then scroll down the screen and you can edit the form down here. When you select color, that's what color changed. The background, okay, so this is the form background. And if you want to use HTML code, you can do that. If you want to kind of match it up to your website, pick the colors from your website and then use them in the form. Or you can just kind of drag this little circle around until you see a color that you like. Button background, that's here. And the button color would be the button text color. So we'll leave that as is. And click on save. Here I have 3 of them edited. The next thing to do is to connect up your autoresponder. And there are quite a few well-known autoresponder services in here. And if you have Aweber, you click on this link here to get the authorization code, and you would go through the process that Aweber has. Same thing for GetResponse. And I use MailChimp. There's also iContact, Infusionsoft, Constant Contact, ActiveCampaign. So I will go to MailChimp, log in, and under, I believe it's under account settings, account, and extras is API keys. So you can use an API key that you've already created for a particular list, or create a new one. Register and manage an API. So I'm going to copy that link, copy that link and come back to MailChimp and paste in my API key and save. And for each of the autoresponders, you'll do whatever is appropriate for your particular autoresponder service. Okay, MailChimp connection added successfully. The next step is to create the form for the page. So click on Jack Form Leads, add new, the form name, side by side. And the user welcome email address, it is best if you use a domain email address, so your name at yourdomain.com is more likely to be delivered. And a subject for your email, you can edit the email message that's here, and you select the template that you want to use. When somebody has submitted the form, you can either show the message on top, success, you filled it in correctly, or you can direct them to a thank you page for giving them something or getting more information from them. Service provider, you click the drop down arrow and click on the autoresponder service that you use. And you want a top margin. So do you want space between the form and whatever is above it, and space between the form and whatever is below it, and form type normal. Okay, you can have a standard form or a pop-up form. So for this one, I'll leave it a standard or normal form and submit. Here is a short code. So you take this short code and go to your newly created page. I need to add 2 rows. I'm going to add a column, and I will put a single column and add module. I'm going to add video, and I will paste the video URL down here, give it a name and save, and add a column. And this will be a text module because I'm going to paste my shortcode in here. I can add a background color to the section if I wish. I can determine the width. Now, another wonderful feature is I can show this on all devices, only desktop, mobile, tablet, both desktop and tablet, both desktop and mobile, or tablet and mobile. So I will leave this to show on all devices and click Save and Publish. And then preview changes. And here is the new landing form. Now you can remove any of the rest of the information that's on this page if you want to keep people focused on your video message and filling in the form. Here is the congratulations, I filled it in properly. I get a gold star. And that's it for this video.